Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my natural DIY oil for my natural hair. Yes, so if you are the type that always have this hair falling, that is, you always lose your hair, and then you are the kind of person that has dry scalp, and then maybe your hair is always itching you, then this is just the perfect oil you need, because it helps promote your hair, it leaves your hair shiny and healthy. So please keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for tuning in today's video, guys. I'm so happy and I'm so pleased. God bless you all. Thank you for the love and support. Yeah, so today's video, it's all about how I make my own DIY oil, which works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you also. That's why I'm showing you guys how it's been done or how I make it. So first thing I need is my aloe vera. Like the way you're seeing, I'm using aloe vera. I'm going to slice the aloe vera or dice it. We all know the importance of aloe vera to our hair. Aloe vera helps promote the hair scalp, like it leaves your hair shiny and then smooth. It also conditions your hair and then prevents it from itching. So that's why I said at the initial stage, if you are the kind of person that itch your hair so much, or your hair have stopped growing, please, you need aloe vera. Twice in a month at least, just try and use aloe vera on your hair. You can also use it as conditioner on your hair. So aloe vera is so perfect and so nice for your hair if you really want a good and healthy hair. So aloe vera is good. So guys, at this point I finished cutting the aloe vera. Here is my onion. I'm going to remove the back of the onion and then also slice the onions. We all know how the importance of onions. Like if your hair is so tiny, like if your hair does not have weight, aloe vera helps in making your hair strong, and trust me, it's really working. That's what I use. I always mix it with my oil, though it has this smell, this onion smell. What I do is I mix it with my tea tree oil, and then it reduce the smell of onion. So onions is also good for your hair. Like if you are having hair loss, it prevents it from cutting. So at this point, I'm done slicing both the onion and the aloe vera. I'm just going to put my pot on fire. Here is how it is. I'm going to put my pot on fire, and then the oil I'm putting is extra virgin oil and then my coconut oil. Remember, the quantity of oil you want should be the quantity of oil you're putting on the pot, so you can get the exact quantity of oil you want. Like if you want 1 cup, you make sure you are putting 1 cup of oil on it. So after doing that, while the coconut oil and extra virgin oil is melt on the pot, I'm just going to put my onion, which you're seeing, and then keep stirring. So at a point it brings out foam like this, so you don't stop, you keep stirring and stirring, and then when you see that it's time for you to, like after like 5 minutes, then you can now put your aloe vera. At the point you discover that it will become brown, no, at that particular time, just know it's ready. You just have to wait for it to get cool, and then you take it out from the fire. So guys, if you have watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please support your girl by hitting the subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up if you, and drop a comment at the comment section. this at this point is ready. Like I said, the back of the aloe vera will turn brown, and then the onions as well will turn brown. So here is it, it's ready. I'm just going to off my stove and then allow the aloe vera to sit and get cold. At this point it's already cold, and then it's just for me to turn it to the container I want. So guys, at this point our DIY oil is ready, aloe vera and onions DIY oil. So right now I'm just going to put it inside the bowl and then allow it to settle well before putting it inside the container I want. So at this point, if you like, you can apply any kind of oil. You can apply any oil of your choice, like this like your castor oil. You can mix it with it, like shea butter oil. You can mix it with it, and then also any kind of oil you want that also promotes hair growth. You can mix it with it. But presently, this is how it is, and then I'm going to leave it to settle. So guys, here is how the oil is looking like. This is how it is. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up and also drop a comment at the comment section. So like I said, I had to turn it inside the container I want. This is the container. I've been using that container for long, so that's just where I pour my oil, and then I'll put it on my hair. So right now you can see the way my hair is. It's so thick, guys. It's so hard, like it's so thick, but it's really nice and growing fast. So right now I'm just going to cornrow the hair, and then after cornrowing I'll just put my oil, and that is how I apply my oil on my hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Please share, comment, like and subscribe.